What up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS Geek, Rayware Computers since 1996. Okay, let's get right into it, gang. Let me pin that poop over there, get rid of that handsome guy. Now, WordPress, not my favorite platform, but I'll tell you, we're like an old married couple. It's a love-hate relationship. Okay, as you know, I've been doing this since 96. Tried a gazillion web design softwares, plugins for WordPress and things like that. Okay, now found this landing page cat free version plugin. Okay, I just upgraded. I fell in love with it. All right, now let me give you a quick to do on it. What it does in WordPress, it simulates the WordPress pretty good. Works in the background. Haven't had a glitch with it yet. Okay. Let me see. I made a couple of pages. Where is this going to take me? Alright, you could do these bridge pages, opt-in pages very quickly. Okay, very easily. This will go to my affiliate link. Okay, this is totally Facebook friendly. Okay, it took me minutes to learn. It took me a day to master it. Okay, a day to master it. Okay, now there's a couple different ways. It's even got an email handler that you can use. Okay, let me put an email in here. Let's see. All right. Now, what this will do? Whoops. What this will do? It'll harvest. It'll harvest these. Okay. Emails for you if you're not using, like, GetResponse or Aweber and things like that. Okay, so now I just did this one. This is my favorite. Okay, this is like a landing page, squeeze page. I'm not done with it yet. I'm gonna go in and do some graphics, some more graphics. Okay, simple to use, by far the easiest plugin I've ever tried. Okay, and I've tried hundreds of them. I have to tell you, I tried hundreds of them. Even with all my old DOS Geek experience, okay, you can integrate it with HTML, you could take graphics, and so forth, okay. You could do a header on it. I'll show you how quick and easy, okay. We're going to save it and preview it real quick. It just did me a header, okay. Let's go edit the header. Let's see, header text. Hi, Mom. Okay, copy color. Now you could go to your home page, blog page, original page, welcome gate, okay, page 2 test, hello world, okay, so forth. You could send it any way you want to send it. Okay? Send it any way you want to send it. And without all these other pages in there, I could send it to a URL. Okay, I don't need to. I could send it right to my affiliate link. Okay, let's do it this way. We'll just grab one of these real quick. Okay. Now, we'll leave that. We'll do a background color, right? Any color's fine. We'll save it and preview it. Alright, that quick. You edit this stuff that quickly. Okay? My Mom. It's going to open in a new page. Took it right to my other website. Nice. Right? Nice. Now, that's not the way I want it. We're going to go undo everything I just did. Spada doom, right back. I mean, is this freaking awesome software? Is it awesome software? Look at this. Okay, right back to the gravy, baby. Now, I've been in touch with their tech support. Their tech support was pretty good. Okay, their tech support immediately got back to me. Okay, now the they accepted me as an affiliate. Okay, so I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video. They have a bunch of other apps. Okay, as far as I know, I'm only affiliate to this one. Now, what's going to happen is I upgraded. Okay, I upgraded just now. Very easy, simple process going through it. They have a couple of different plans. Okay, I'm most likely going to upgrade to this one eventually because I still haven't used a couple of the new features. Okay, I'm using this one right now. You can do it on one site. Okay, I mean, really, it's probably the same thing. And I love it. They say priority email support. Their email support was right on point. I mean, they got back to me so quickly. It was unbelievable. Okay, they got this new feature here, this particle effect. I love how they do their demonstrations. Now, believe it or not, what I'm going to do, I got one of my websites. I'm going to make the whole blog out of it using these because you can make page after page and just link them together. Okay, so now if you've seen any of my videos, you'll understand how I word things. Okay, so basically I just got this plan. So now what they're telling me to do, okay, let me get rid of some of these other windows I got open. What they told me to do is to deactivate it. Okay, hi, this is Dave, created a land page. Thank you very much. I have a quick question. I hope you'll answer and help me with. You can leave me a message if you're upgraded to lead page. Any questions? Okay, so we're gonna do this. You know, I'm a lazy old geek. I like to send feedback. Okay. All right. So they're sorry to see me go. It's deactivated. Of course, they think I'm deactivated. Okay, so now I already downloaded the plugin. What they do is they give you a key, number to put in there. Okay, and they allow you to download the plugin manually. All right, so let me stop the video so I don't waste any time, and I'm going to go get it. Okay, right where I left it. Now, what happens is, the plugins, they're just like the themes. It comes in a compressed file, and WordPress, just being the king animal that they are. Okay, now I'm going to activate plugin. I don't know what this is. Plugin installed successfully, but they just said to reactivate it. I'm pretty sure. I probably should go back and read it, but I'm so excited about this. Okay. Every page cat free. Oh, look at that. Okay, so now just put two of them in it. Oh, by the way, I had this in there. This was pretty good, this WordPress form light. But, these days, I've got a lot of email addresses. I don't really need to build any more emails. They tell you to keep doing it, but email list is work. I don't care what anybody says. It really is. At this point, I just want to build my sites, get a lot of organic traffic, for the future, and do my YouTube channel. And then, of course, I keep feeding my like my Facebook groups that I have and my email list that I have, but I'm not really going to take too many more email addresses at this time. They say you have to, and I think it's a great thing to do, especially in the beginning when you're building a brand or you're building your business. However, there's proof in the pudding. You talk to a lot of guys, you could still make a good profit without an email list. Okay, so there it is. It's activated. And if you notice, if you know the old DOS Geek, I'm a very simple kind of guy. I don't like a lot of fluff. I don't like a lot of bells and whistles. Okay, so they told me that my stuff would stay the same. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. Oh, and there it is. Okay, and that's that in a hat. So I'm going to finish building this landing page that I made. And at the bottom, it's going to go to my affiliate offer, which is the Fat Cat. Okay, and then I'm going to advertise it, and I will let you know how it goes. So this is Ray, the old DOS geek. Rayware Computers since 1996. Yes, that is an old picture of me, but I am still just as handsome, only a little hairier and a little wrinkler. Now I'm going to ask you guys, background noise, I'm going to ask you guys to like and subscribe, because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you.